helping him stay focused, does it?
A kiwi, peach, orange.
Maybe on the subway. 10 out of 10 would definitely do that like 7 more times. What's the 7 fried rice?
Y'all can't see me, but basically, we're going out of town, and we're packing. We got a lot of shit. We're going for a week. Got a lot of stuff. Yeah. Okay, so as you can see, this is the suitcase, right? And it's full. I mean, it's packed. And yeah, I just hope we not over 50 pounds.
You're not gonna be, boo. Everything is worked out. Ow! Ow.
No,
Los Angeles is now boarded at gate 3. If you're on this flight, you need to be at gate 3. This is your final boarding call. Flight 25.
If you're officer of pre-board, you're only allowed one person to do that, which is pre-board or board. No, bro, she had a top. It was no top on the cologne. It was no always fucking.
No, man. I mean, there could have been.
I lost my tops.
I mean, it is what it is. It is what it is.
What you want from me?
It's like that was just gonna happen.
What you want from me?
Baby, go in the fucking bathroom.
I'm ready now, so I just.
What are you doing?
He's gonna pull his pants down.
Kayla's face is way too goddamn much.
It's lobotomy. Take a lot. Get it out of me. Pull up, chop, squeeze.
Babe,
Chop,
you got to have my toes
you ain't proud of me, huh?
Put my toes out. Oh, it's clean up.
Okay, y'all can't see me, but that's everybody. We made it out the fucking group chat.
We made it out the group chat and the room in only 3 hours.
On the back of that motherfucking movie.
That's Manny. That's Taylor. There's Wolf. There's Court. Gangs are here. There's P in the front. Gang in this thing.
Gang.
Just a nigga knocked on the door. His mom's room.
Remember, this shit cost $5,000.
No, it didn't.
Nigga, that shit was $20.99 on Amazon.
Right.
Right? We got the same one.
We got the same one.
Hell yeah.
This is Sticky Man. I miss a Sticky Man.
Wow. Get drunk, have a good time, boys. Let's go.
We don't. Because guess what? I'm sober until we hit this cruise probably.
Yeah. You make that choice, you let me know when you make it.
I'm going to be fucked up.
Woo! You make nails. You ain't bring no nails, huh? The nail maker ain't bring no
And
nails.
now I want nails.
Nah, none of the... Yeah, we could just ask Buddy to take us.
Find yours at steeldealers.com.
I don't even drink, and I think I'm about to drink. This is so cute.
can't see her, you can't see God.
So who's the first person moving on? Snake! Snake Captain, come on over here! And who is the second person moving on?
The alligator. Yeah, let her get it, let her get it.
Crocodile, well done!
Where?